Hi everyone. I'll be going over the installation of Global Dispatch 4.x as well as discussing the prerequisites and requirements for that installation. At the time of this recording, Global Dispatch was supported on the Red Hat Enterprise Linux and derivative platforms, on Oracle Solaris, and on Microsoft Windows Server operating systems. The system requirements for installation are that the system have a minimum of 256 megabytes of memory, at least 100 megabytes of free disk space, and 2 local accounts for administration and monitoring purposes. Let's briefly go over the 2 accounts mentioned in the prerequisites section of this video. The 2 accounts need to be common on all of the machines that are going to participate in any of the Resonate functions. Further, these 2 accounts require no special privileges or permissions and can be regular old user accounts that do not require membership in any particular group or access level. The 2 accounts in my demonstration are DISP ADM and DISP MON. DISP ADM is the account that I'll be using to configure and manage the site. DISP MON is the account that I would give to somebody in order to allow them read-only access to the site. So again, DISP MON has no privileges to make any changes. These 2 accounts need to exist on every single machine in the site. Otherwise, the nodes will not be able to communicate with each other. Now that our accounts are all set, let's go ahead and launch the Global Dispatch installer. I've got the package on the desktop of this Windows machine. From within the package, I'll launch the setup application. For most of these options, I'll be selecting the defaults. I'll scroll down through the license agreement, accept it. I'll accept the default for the destination folder path. At the feature selection screen, you've got an option of several items. Global Dispatch Agent is the component that performs the availability checks and the latency measurements between the client's DNS server and the point of presence or the specific data center. The agent is also the one that performs the health test on the resource within the data center. Global Dispatch Manager is the GUI that's used to manage the product, and the scheduler is the process that answers the DNS request back to the client. The scheduler is the one that performs the address resolution function. Global Dispatch Alert provides notification services to the administrator. Notification services would be notifications for events that the administrator defines, and Global Dispatch Sync is used to synchronize persistent tables between multiple schedulers. Administration mode username is the admin user defined in the previous step of this video, and monitor mode is the read-only username. This would be the user that has essentially just view permissions to the management GUI. Global Dispatch product requires a restart of the machine in order to complete the installation of the services. Once I restart, Global Dispatch will be installed and will be waiting to be configured. This concludes the installation of Global Dispatch on the Windows platform.